Hi stylers, I'm thrilled to be back to share an exciting update on my tiny kitchen project. It's been a year since I last gave this space a makeover, and today I want to show you how it's looking so far and just to do a few touch-ups. But first, I want to address a few issues that have popped up over the past year. Unfortunately, I've noticed that in some areas, the paint on the tile has started to strip, revealing the original tile underneath. And I've also noticed a few of the cabinets need a little bit of touching up just to make it fresh. So I hope you enjoy this video on my tiny kitchen updating for this summer 2023. Before we begin, it's essential to prepare the surface properly. I'll start by thoroughly cleaning the countertops and cabinets, removing any dirt, grease, or residue. This step ensures that the paint adheres well and provides a smooth, long-lasting finish. Also, when cleaning your countertops and cabinets, use mild soap or detergent and warm water. Avoid abrasive cleaners that can damage the surface. After cleaning, make sure to dry everything completely to prevent any moisture-related issues during the painting process. Here's a nifty tip for you as well. When doing touch-ups on your cabinets, make sure to use the same type of paint and grab a small high-quality brush. This will help you to achieve a seamless finish, blending the new paint with the existing color for a cohesive look. Now, it's time to focus on sealing. First thing first, I want to seal around the sink using silicone. Proper sealing is crucial to prevent any water damage and extend the lifespan of any countertops. Proper sealing not only protects your countertops, but also ensures the longevity and functionality of our kitchen. Let's make sure we have a watertight seal. Here's another handy tip for sealing the kitchen sink area. I like to apply the silicone in small sections. This way, I can work more precisely and ensure a neat finish. Oh, and don't forget to use a caulking tool to smooth out silicone for that professional touch. But guess what? I don't have any now, so my finger will do the job for now. Now, I'm using the tile grout for the gaps between the tiles. I'll press firmly into the cracks, making sure to fill them completely. This process not only enhances the appearance but also provides protection against moisture and dirt buildup. Here's a handy tip as well. When applying grout, work in small sections to prevent it from drying out too quickly. This allows you to focus on getting a consistent and even application. Remember to remove any excess grout from the tile surface. Now that the grouting is complete, I am using a blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Using a blow dryer on low heat setting will gently and evenly blow warm air over the freshly applied grout. The warm air helps accelerate the drying process, allowing us to proceed with painting more quickly. Here's a quick tip. When using a blow dryer to dry grout, make sure to keep the blow dryer at a safe distance from the surface to prevent any damage. Move the blow dryer in a back and forth or side to side motion ensuring even drying. With the grout dried and ready, it's time to move forward with our painting process. We're going to transform the look of the countertops and cabinet with a fresh coat of paint. This is an amazing way to give your kitchen a new look without breaking the bank. Let's get those paintbrush and rollers ready. When it comes to painting countertops and cabinets, it's crucial to choose a paint specifically designed for that purpose. Look for countertop paints that offer durability and easy cleanup. Here, I am using water paint, but next time I will try and get the right paint. It's hard to get these type of paint here in Jamaica. I might just have to order it online. I always apply 2 coats of paint for a more even and long-lasting finish. Applying the paint in thin layers allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next coat. This not only ensures better adhesion but also prevents unsightly drips or bubbles in the final result. Once the first coat is dry, it's time for the second coat. I'll repeat the same process, applying the paint evenly and smoothly. 2 coats will provide better coverage and durability for your cabinets and countertops. Remember folks, patience is key when painting surfaces. Allow the first coat to dry completely before applying a second coat. This will ensure a professional looking finish that will withstand daily use. And there you have it. My countertops is undergoing a beautiful transformation. With a fresh coat of paint, it's incredible how simple updates can breathe new life into your space. So now I'm giving the countertop the second coat of paint. Ensure to spread it evenly and smoothly so that you get a smooth finish with no bubbles or drip mark. For areas where the roller can't go, as you see me here doing, I am using the paintbrush in the creases and the corners to ensure that I get a good coverage of the paint in this section. So you can also use a good quality paintbrush in the corners when you're applying your paint on the countertop. And there you have it. My countertops and cabinets have undergone a beautiful transformation with a fresh coat of paint. It's incredible how this simple update can breathe new life into your kitchen space. From addressing touch-ups and sealing around the sink to grouting the tile and quickening the drying process, we've made a significant progress in revitalizing our kitchen. It's amazing how a few simple tasks can make the world of a difference. I hope you enjoyed this segment of my Summer Tiny Kitchen update. Remember, home improvement projects can be incredibly rewarding, especially when you incorporate these and the tips. Stay tuned for the next episode where I organize my drawers and on the sink. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, happy cooking!